I have something. I'm gonna put my Patreon link on the comment. Your absurd. Okay, let's put link. Okay. Hi to our 13 viewers. Hello everyone. Hello. 26 viewers. Hello everyone. I'm going to put dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aalala, alis tayo sa dulo ng mundo. Alis tayo, aaway, aalis tayo sa dulo ng mundo. Crazy for you. Give me likes naman, everyone. Aalis tayo sa dulo. Guys, avail my Patreon. The link is in the comment section. The link is in the comment section, everyone. Aalis tayo sa dulo ng mundo. Dadalhin kita sa amin. Good evening, everyone. Please subscribe and give me likes and comment because I'm going crazy here. No one is talking to me. Walang kumakausap sa akin ba? I will just brush my hair using. Okay, let's see. This one. Is this okay? Or no, it's not good. Not good at all. It's much better like this. Baka may tugtog ka na naman, ha? Aalis tayo sa dulo ng mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway.